Kilala niyo po ba kung sino si Marshal Bonifacio?
To be candid, Your Honor,
Oh.
I'm not.
Sino po? Si Benigno
I'm sorry,
Aquino
Your Honor.
Jr. Si Ninoy. Siya mismo may alias. Maraming salamat po.
Your Honor, if
You serious?
Presiding officer, tama po. Si Ninoy Aquino po ang kanyang alias ay Marshal Bonifacio para makauwi po siya sa Pilipinas kung nasa Boston siya. Oho, pero wala naman ho siyang confidential funds na wala ho siya sa mga AR na confidential funds. No? Lilinawin ko lang ho. Okay. Pagdating ho sa prosecution, ang posisyon ng prosecution, yung mga pangalan ay totoong tao, di ba? Correct, no? You have not really mentioned aliases in any of your... Wala. Could you respond quickly? We have talked about aliases. Is the prosecution talking about aliases?
that was never our point, Your Honor. In fact, the point of the prosecution is that that was never raised by the defense, either in their answer or in their pre-trial brief, Your Honor. So to us, that should be a non-issue because even them, they never claimed that in any of their pleadings before
Okay,
this
thank you.
honorable court.
Okay, klaklaruin ko lang ha. Ang siyang tao lang pong nagsabi na alias po sila, si Miss Gina Acosta, in her testimony. Kanina po, sabi niyo rin na Mr. Ortonio na hindi siya alias or hindi niyo alam. But si Miss Gina Acosta, in her testimony, did admit that in her perspective, these are aliases. No, just for the record po.